guys, welcome back to Muchu Cuckoo. Today we will be doing a review on the Nerf gun trilogy. It's called the trilogy ds15, I think. Yeah, the ds15. And it is a shotgun class. And if you don't know what that is, that means it shoots multiple darts at once. And it comes with shells, so you put the 3 darts in one shell, and you load it in the gun, and then it shoots all 3 darts at the same time. So that's pretty cool. On the back of the box, there is a nice handle. There is a jam door, that's nice. It pops out the shells when you're done shooting. There's some storage on the stock of the gun. There's a picture of the dude loading in some shells. And then it shows you how many darts and how many shells it gives you. And that's basically all it has in the back of the box. So, unboxing. What is included is elite nerf darts, the shells, which are pretty cool, instructions, and the gun itself, which is right here. It's pretty cool. It's big. This does not run on batteries, just so you know. So, I think I know how to operate it. So first, you want to take 3 bullets, put them in a shell. I'm going to do that for all of the shells. So, I am done loading the shells. So, if you want to store the shells in the back part, make sure the part that you can't see the tips of the darts, you just see the blue part of the darts is downwards. Then push them in. There's like a lock-in system, so they're pretty sturdy and they won't just fall out if you hold the gun upside down. Or at least I don't think they will. Yeah, they're sturdy. So there's that, which is nice. So, so now I have extra weight on the back with the guns. Review of how it looks. So there's only one tactical rail that you can put, and it's on the front of like where it comes out. There is a shoulder strap if you want to like hang it from your shoulders. There's a trigger. I think there's a safety for once. I think this is another sling mount or a shoulder mount right under the front part of it. And then there's a front handle that you use to cock the gun, aka crank. Don't look down the barrel when it's cocked because it can be shot. I'm going to see if it shot all 3. Yes! The shell came out the side just like I wanted it to. Now, you put your empty shell back in your storage, grab another shell. I'm a bit more professional at shooting this now, which is nice. The shell pumps out. I suggest if you have weak arms, don't get this gun because it takes a bit to cock it back. Then you cock it forward, and then you shoot. So when it comes out, it's pretty fast in terms of the bullets, and they stay pretty straight until maybe about like 5 feet. So that's nice. I'm just gonna shoot through all of the things. The clip did not come out for some reason. This one is on the ground and on the table. This is my last shell. And then I'm out, and I need to go get my darts and everything. That part's really cool. I like how the shell pops out when you shoot it. That's really cool, or at least I think it is. I like this stock that it comes with. It balances very good in my hands. And the barrel's pretty cool looking. And it's a wide barrel. And it's pretty cool. I like the color scheme, how it's all blue, then a little bit of orange, and a little bit of orange. Then it has then a gray handle, and there's black too. And the handle on the bottom is really comfortable. And overall, I say this gun's a good blaster. So, that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit that little bell by the subscribe button. And it will tell you whenever we post a new video. And that's pretty cool, because then you can be one of the first people to watch it. And that's cool. So, yeah. See you next time on Moo Choo Cuckoo.